Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an Electrolux IQ-Touch dryer and on the display it's giving you an EA1 error and you're like, what in the world is this error and what do I need to do to get rid of it? So first of all, this EA1 error is that the dryer is detecting that it's not getting the proper electricity. So there's really two things that could be going on here. One is your dryer is in fact not getting the proper electricity. Number two could be there's something wrong with like the electronic control board, which is defective, and it's giving you this error when that's not really the issue. So the first thing you want to do is just check and make sure that your dryer is getting correct electricity. So this could be either like if you're using an extension cord that's not heavy duty enough and not carrying the proper electricity, try plugging your dryer in directly to the wall and not via an extension cord. It could be some other things, like if you're running off an autonomous electrical system, you're not connected to the grid, you want to make sure that you can try to plug something in on grid electricity. This could also be happening if you bought your dryer in one country and you're trying to use it in another country. You might be getting, what the dryer is getting versus what it expects to get. There's a mismatch there. But if you've gone through all those steps and you're sure that you're getting proper electricity to your dryer, the next thing to do is just replace the electronic control board in your dryer because that is probably defective. And I'll go ahead and put a tutorial in the description to how to replace the control board.